Hello everyone, welcome to Project Time. Today a quick one-day kitchen project where I will give this kitchen a bit of color. As you can see, it's a standard white kitchen with a wooden top, and I will install a colorful backsplash tile to give this kitchen this end result. The tiles used are so-called Zellige style tiles from Equip Artisan Aqua. They're 13.2 centimeters square or 5.2 inches, and I spend about €140, $150 on tiles alone. I'll put a link in the description below. Now, I started with removing the cabinets, as this makes work much easier and also avoids having to cut many tiles to the proper height. Then what I did is I laid out the tiles on the countertop to see how to position them, and I was very lucky. On the long edge they fit exactly between the wall and the other cabinet. Now, applying the tiles was actually very easy. As part of their design is that they are unequal in size, thickness and color, giving them this specific end result. Here I'm quickly finishing up that first wall, and then as we got around the corner there are some electrical plugs that had to be taken care of. So with a marker I just marked the areas to be cut out from the tile, which I then cut out with my diamond blade on the angle grinder. This is a fairly easy process. Make sure you always wear eye and ear protection with cutting these tiles. When both tiles were cut out, I made a quick test fit to make sure they fit correctly, and then continued with putting tile on the wall. Here I finished the rest of the wall. I also made a cutout for the electrical receptacle on the other side, and soon after this whole wall was finished. Now, the glue that I used dried up quite quickly, so very soon after I started removing the 2mm plastic spacers. Here I'm applying a fine grain white grout with a rubber spatula. As the grout dried out, I cleaned it off with a wet sponge. Later I cleaned it off with a microfiber cloth to get all the dry grout off of the tiles. Here I'm reinstalling the cabinets and preparing the wiring for the microwave that has to be reinstalled. And here you see the finished result. Now, to finish off the job, I finished off the edges with a white silicone. I always advise to buy a good high quality silicone to prevent issues later on. A bit of soap on your hand, as you can see here, always works very well to keep your hands clean. There's special tools for doing the edges on silicone, but in the end I always end up using my finger for the best results. Here's a picture of the end result. This picture was actually taken before the silicone was applied, but overall we're very pleased with the end result. You can see a very nice reflection in these tiles. They look different from every angle you look at them. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you next time.